So hi goddesses, I'm super excited about this video because it is pole stretches, and I know a lot of people have asked me about more pole stretching and just pole videos in general. So let's get into it. But before we do, there's a few things that I want to go over. So one thing I want to sit here and say, it is super important to stretch out your body. This pole stretches, this is what I do, you know what I'm saying, as a professional. This is what I do when I'm kind of like, oh shit, I haven't really stretched out, did a full stretch routine, or whatever the case is. This is what I do to wake up my body. At the end of the day, it is super important to still stretch out your body fully before getting on the pole. But this is good for you to do if you just need to wake up your body and get a good stretch for the day before you head on out, you know what I'm saying, as well as before you get on the pole. But again, you need to do a full stretch routine and make sure your body is feeling good and feeling nice. But again, this is really great to just awaken your body. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Hey goddesses, so first things first, we're going to reach up above and we're going to reach below. So I'm going to step on out, make sure you have a good footing placement, and I'm going to body roll down and come into a sit and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to push on up. I'm going to show you from the side now. On the side, we're going to body roll on down, nice and slow, come into a sit and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to push on up and come on up. So now we're going to come to the side. On the side, I'm going to put my foot, have a good balance on my foot, have my foot placed. And I'm going to kick on up, hold, 1, 2, 3, bring it on down. So for this, we're going to do 3 more sets, and it is very important to be cautious and slow with it in order to add gracefulness. So we're going to bring it on up, 1, 2, 3, and bring it on down. Hold, take a deep breath in and exhale. We're going to bring it on up, 1, 2, 3, and bring it on down. We have one more set. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And then we're going to do it one last time. Bring it on up, 1, 2, 3, and bring it on down. And we're done on this side. Now we're going to get to the other side. Other side, same thing. We're going to do 4. So we're going to come on up, hold for 1, 2, 3, come on down. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Whew. So now we're going to kick on up and come back down. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now 2 more times. We're going to kick on up, hold, 1, 2, 3, come on down, take a deep breath in and exhale. And one last time on this foot, make sure you have a good foot placement. Reach above, reach below. We're going to kick on up, 1, 2, 3, and come on down. And now we're complete with the leg kicks. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into lunges. So with the pole, I love doing pole lunges. So we're going to come on down. I'm going to hold on to the pole for good stability, push on forward, and really open up and hold. And I like to grab for my ankle to make a pole shape. So we're going to hold for here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna come on up. And now I'm gonna point this leg and stretch this leg on out. Come forward and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then from here, we're gonna go back into a lunge. You're gonna reach for that ankle and you're gonna hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to release, and from here we're going to go into a split, and we're going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to come on up, and now we're going to do the other side. So we're going to go into that lunge, really open up those hips, and we're going to reach for that ankle, and we're going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we're gonna come on up, stretch that leg on out, come forward and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna come back up, go back into the lunge, open up those hips and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here, we're gonna come up and kick on down into a split, and we're gonna hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna come on up. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our toe curls. So this is the last thing that we're gonna do for the night, and we're gonna reach on above. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna curl my toes and come on my tippy toes just like that. So you're gonna reach on the butt, get on your tippy toes, you're gonna curl that toe, and you're gonna hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. And you're gonna come back down. You're gonna do the same on the other foot. You're gonna pull on up, curl that toe, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below on what else you would like to learn from me. On top of that, I do have a Patreon where I go more in depth and more detail on how to break things down, stretches, pole tricks, and pole moves, and so much more. So definitely check my Patreon out. It is in the link in description. But without further ado, I will check y'all next time. Check y'all next time.
Again, don't forget to like and subscribe.